We're gonna go the way I decide to solve all problems I can't solve, either with a coin flip or this little number right here. You count how many options there are. It's 3. Siri, pick a number 1 through 3. I said 1 through 3. She said 26. Siri, pick a number between 1 and 3. She went with 3. We'll go to boost temporarily increases attack after perfect dodge. We'll do that later. Don't know who I am. Right in the nuts. Get him in the nuts. It's a weak point. That's why I have no weaknesses. Discard your nuts. Discard your heart. That's how you win. Now we can. I really rock with the gloves. It's doing it a little bit. I'm getting there. My grandmama. Imagine this is one of the first trailers we seen 4 or 5 years ago, maybe. I'm not sure how long ago it was, but this is nuts. Now I'm listening to Salsa by Amine and Kaytranada. Change your whole life. What's this? Bum ass nigga, get dodged, get parried. She made me treat her like a slut. So I'm finna go inside. New song. Pay attention! Stop. Pause. Right. One more after this guy, and then I'll call it for the night. This nigga ain't nothing, nigga. This nigga ain't nothing, nigga. Well, I ain't for that. I like that. Parry! Backed up off that, but that's hard. All right. It's just something about when you dodge and the hits track anyway. Makes you wonder why there's a dodge button, right? Alright, I was about to say, this nigga gone now. That was gonna make me hot. Like, nigga, do the move, man. I love the theatrics. I love your style and whatnot. But for fuck's sake, nigga, I'm clicking the button. Please hit the nigga. Do something. That's what I'm talking about, man. It tracks and it comes with a delay. Who could ask for anything more? Get fucking parried, fat bitch. That's how I feel about that one. That's how I feel about that one. That's how I feel about that one. Watch this. Eat a dick. I don't give a fuck how I win, nigga. Eat those. Eat those. Your hits track, right? Your hits track, right? Hit me. I'm enjoying it. I eat those. I'm using transformation. I'm using all this to win. Let's do this right quick. No damage. Parry! Laugh all you want. Hold that and then hold a couple of these. I'm going up, I'm coming down, I'm clicking this, right in the nuts. Swing, 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 swing. I was scared. I don't give a fuck. I'm gonna still win though. I eat that. You still missed. I took my eyes off the screen. What are we talking about? Well, thank you. I was gonna be extremely hot if I died. All it takes is 3. And in some cases it just takes 2. You missed. What are we talking? The nigga, the pause. The registry, the registry. Did you see me fucking dodge after I got hit? Now the shit is it's registering now. Now it's registering late. What the fuck are we doing? I need a full dev interview on what the fuck is going on with that shit. Please cut.
Faith and devotion, quite the notion. Yet how many can claim a mind so pure, still and sure? Look at you, through the heavy snow you roam, desiring that thing, no doubt. I read your fortune before you came. Care to hear? Act not and be still, thy gifts art thy ill. If you seek your own end, I shall not stop you. I, the keeper of the New West, welcome the Destined One. Now fly!
Am I doing that? No, you're doing it, so.
On the lake? Therein lies the thing you seek. The lord of this land is away. Seize it now and leave.
Mission accomplished. Good work.